In every nation, people call for a revival and wait for God. But when God has answered the revival, people don't say that God is moving. But I pray for kingdom encounter assembly. May you not miss the timing of God. May you know what time is it. The message that you are carrying is a message to turn areas upside down. It's not a message for us to come and conform. While we have read the Bible, Paul was entering a new territory. Caesar was the king. And he had the decrees that were in place. But Jesus was coming with something new. Now the Bible says some of the people were persuaded. The Bible said Paul went in the synagogue 3 times, telling them about the move that was coming. These were the people of God inside the house of God, waiting for Messiah. Now Paul says to them, he has come. He was crucified. And he rose again. They said this is something new that's breathing in our space. Men were holding their position. Caesar said, I cannot allow another king to rule. And they went to the marketplace. They looked for cruel men to come and beat Paul. Because when the message comes into the region, territories are torn apart. The people were in power in the area. Their power is taken away from them. Because you must understand, when we came to Makassar, there were spirits and rulers that were ruling the place. But we